Hello, here we are once again. We're gonna have to make dinner. Yes, making dinner in our little kitchen. So what I have here is I have this pasta. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but I have it ready. And onions, garlic, and green beans, carrots. Of course this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but I have it there for now. And I have this cabbage, of course. And we have meat. It's beef. So let's start cooking.
There we are, cooking in our little kitchen, our home sweet motorhome. So it's done. Yummy, yummy. It's a little bit windy and chilly out there. Thank you guys for watching. Now let's eat.